Are you stuck in a YouTube content loop? You know the one, where YouTube keeps recommending the same channels you've already seen a million times. It's frustrating when you're craving something new, but the algorithm just won't cooperate. So, how do you break free and discover fresh creators who align with your interests? If you're a creator, watching similar channels can help you spot trends, learn new techniques, and improve your own videos. But here's the catch. YouTube's algorithm tends to stick to what it knows you like. That's why finding new channels takes a little effort. Don't worry, we've got some simple and effective methods to help you break the cycle. The easiest place to start is right on YouTube. Use the search bar to find videos on topics you enjoy. Once you've done that, sort your results by upload date or view count. This trick surfaces smaller creators who don't usually appear in your recommendations. And don't overlook YouTube's recommended videos entirely. If you interact with content you enjoy, it can nudge the algorithm toward better suggestions. If your recommendations still feel stale, try clearing your watch history or using an incognito mode to reset things. When YouTube isn't delivering, social media can be a goldmine. On Reddit, subreddits like r/creator and r/let's play collabs are full of recommendations for smaller channels across every niche imaginable. Twitter can also be helpful. Follow hashtags like #smallcreators or #YouTubersUnite to discover up-and-coming YouTubers. If you want to learn more about the topic, you can read out blog, link will be in the description. And that's how you can find similar YouTube channels and break out of the algorithm loop. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips to level up your YouTube experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.